Hi there, my name's Jake, and I'm the Pharmacy Technician Supervisor here at Lock Haven Veterinary Hospital. Today, I'm joined by Dr. McIntosh, and I have just a few questions about cat eye care that we're going to go over. First, Dr. McIntosh, what's the most important thing when it comes to taking care of your cat's eyes?
The big thing, Jake, is to know what normal looks like. So, a lot of cats' eyes, they should be nice and clear. There shouldn't be any discharge. They shouldn't be rubbing at it. Shouldn't be red. Shouldn't be irritated. They shouldn't be squinting. If any of those things pop up, that tells us that there's a problem and we need to get it checked out.
How does good eye care impact the health and well-being of your cat?
So eyes can be painful. If you have a condition that's affecting your cat's eye, they can definitely be uncomfortable. In people, in people with high eye pressures like glaucoma can cause headaches, and we don't know what a headache looks like in cats. So sometimes it's just the cat is hiding, or it doesn't want to eat, or it seems uncomfortable or lethargic, or it'll run away. So it's always good to know what your cat's normal behaviors are and what a normal eye looks like in your kitty.
What are some signs and symptoms of eye issues in your cat?
So, like we talked about before, if you're squinting at all, if you've got eye discharge, no matter what color it is, clear can be okay, but if it's not something that happens on a regular basis, hasn't been diagnosed before, and isn't being treated, definitely a reason to go to your vet.
How soon should you bring your cat in to see a veterinarian for a problem with vision or other eye problems?
As soon as you can, Jake, because eye problems can go south really, really quickly. You can go from a scratch or an ulcer to losing an eye in a pretty short period of time. So definitely something to get checked out if something's wrong.
How will a veterinarian diagnose a problem with vision or other eye issues in your cat?
So there are lots of tests that we can do, including and not limited to checking tears, checking eye pressures, checking for scratches or ulcers to make sure those guys aren't there. If we see anything positive on those tests, then we treat for whatever disease we've just diagnosed.
What types of eye treatments are commonly recommended for cats?
So it depends on the problem with the eye. Some eye problems in cats are the result of systemic viral problems, which means they're going to have that for the rest of their life, and those eye problems may come and go over the course of their lives. So knowing what your animal has, knowing the diagnosis, and knowing what's normal for your kitty is going to be really important to know what you can and cannot do at home, and when it's time to see a vet.
Why is it important to avoid self-diagnosing eye issues in cats?
That's a good question, Jake, because you can definitely do it wrong. So even if your cat has had eye problems in the past and you've got a shelf full of eye medication, if there is a scratch or an ulcer or there's a particular problem, there are medications out there that can treat one problem and make another problem worse. So we certainly want to make sure that you're using the right med.
Why is early detection and diagnosis of problems with a cat's eye so important?
So cats' eyes and cats' vision are super important to their quality of life, and super important to them getting around, and especially with outside cats, hunting and doing their normal behaviors. So if we've got a kitty who's losing their vision or has some eye problems that are painful, or they have discomfort, or they're losing the ability to use their eye, it certainly can impact their overall quality of life. And so it's really important to make sure that we know if there's an issue or not.
Thank you, Dr. McIntosh.
Thanks, Jake. If you have any questions about your cat or your cat's eye care, certainly you can give us a call here at Lock Haven Veterinary Hospital, set up an appointment with the vet.